Becky. Welcome back to my channel. I have a video today that I don't think I've ever done a video like this, but I thought it would be fun to share with you guys a week of dinners for us and our family. I have 3 criteria that I try to stick with whenever I'm making dinners, planning meals, all that. That it's easy, it's healthy, and it makes good leftovers. And the third one is especially important with the leftovers because I don't cook every night of the week, even though we typically eat at home every single night of the week, because I cook one night something that has enough leftovers for the next day. That's really important for me for 2 main reasons. Number one, it saves me a lot of time because I'm not cooking a new meal every single night. But also, I don't like to cook. I like to spend as little time as possible in the kitchen actually cooking. So that really helps me out. And now that my husband has been taking healthier meals for lunch instead of getting fast food every day, I'm usually either making him something separate to take for lunch, or I'm making even more of a portion the one night and then enough leftovers for me and the girls to have dinner that night and for him to have lunch the next day. That's pretty much how I manage to have a home cooked meal every single night of the week, even though I'm not physically cooking a new meal every single night of the week. So highly recommend that. So if you want to see 4 healthy, easy meal ideas that are super simple, then stay tuned. So it is 5:13 and we're getting ready to eat dinner. This is what I call Italian chicken. I don't know really what the technical name is anymore. It's really good, really simple, good leftover. I usually serve it with garlic bread, but the store didn't have any organic garlic bread, so I figured, well, we don't need the extra carbs anyway. But you can do garlic bread. You can also do Parmesan cheese on top or melt a little bit of mozzarella cheese on top. We've done that in the past, but since my oldest daughter can't have dairy, again, it was also just a better health choice to not put cheese on it, but you definitely can. And then we're also going to be having a salad. Normally we don't have salad, but I kind of wanted one. So this is actually a Simple Truth Organic Caesar salad kit, but I'm not doing the Caesar salad dressing. My husband can use that if he wants. I'm going to use the fat-free Catalina. My youngest will probably use regular ranch. My oldest will use her dairy-free ranch, and I just thought it'd be fun to kind of throw a salad in there since I didn't have another side to go with the main course. So that is dinner tonight. Okay, it's a new day and a new meal. This is actually something I made last week. Last week, the original recipe called for the grape tomatoes, the lemon and garlic, and fresh cut green beans. So this week I did broccoli because most of the people didn't like the green beans. Some people did, some people didn't. So I thought I would try it with broccoli to see how it turned out. So I haven't had it in this configuration yet either. But it's basically an aluminum foil grill recipe that I use with parchment paper because we don't use aluminum foil. And then I did it in the oven instead of on the grill. So for me, I had to cook it at 425 for 35 minutes. Just increased it a little bit to make sure the chicken was good and done. It's really healthy and simple, like really simple, which is nice because I hate cooking. And this is what we're having for dinner today and tomorrow. Okay, dinner is ready. This is a new recipe I've never made, and I actually didn't follow the recipe exactly. So I don't know if that was a good decision or a bad decision. I don't know if it's gonna be too spicy, but it's basically turkey taco stuffed peppers, but I did not put them in the pepper. I also left out garlic and onion because I thought garlic was a really weird combination with taco seasoning and salsa. Maybe not, what do I know, but I left that out. I left out the onion, and I didn't have any corn because it called for frozen corn. I didn't have any frozen corn, and I didn't have any canned corn. So I just have ground turkey, black beans, the mild organic chunky salsa. What else is in there? Taco seasoning, a little bit of cheese, and a little bit of Greek yogurt instead of sour cream. So that is dinner for okay, for tonight. For dinner, we are having grilled chicken. I've still got some more on the George Foreman grill, but I grilled up a bunch of chicken and we're gonna have dinner tonight. So tonight we're having what we call chicken tomato pasta. Basically, this is all chicken marinated in Italian dressing. And so for chicken tomato pasta, you obviously cook the chicken. You're gonna cut it in bite-sized pieces. I toss it with a diced tomato, some penne noodles, and a little bit of Italian dressing and Parmesan cheese, and it's super good. So we can either chop it up and put it in a salad tomorrow, or I can pack it in my husband's lunch. But this grilled chicken is so versatile. You can use it in so many different things, and it's super simple. So that's what we're having tonight, and it'll give us something to eat tomorrow as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and these 4 easy dinner ideas. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. And if you want, feel free to leave me one of your family favorite recipes that's really good, easy, healthy, and makes great leftovers. Leave that for me in the comments. I would really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.